When you see a truck that looks like a semi-tractor dominating the road, you might expect freight, heavy loads, 18-wheeler authority. But what you're about to experience is something different. Meet the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Not just a truck, and not your typical RV, but a rolling luxury estate on wheels. Valued at around $700,000, this machine blends the legendary road presence of the W900 with the comforts, craftsmanship, and technology of a premium motorhome. Today, we go behind the scenes, step inside, and explore how this beast of a rig turned into a lifestyle statement. The Kenworth W900 has a reputation that stretches back decades. Introduced in the early 1960s, it became the flagship conventional cab heavy-duty truck for Kenworth, a symbol of American road power and durability. What happens when you take that icon and reimagine it not just as a hauler, but as a home? That's what we're looking at here, a unique conversion, or build, that fuses truck heritage with a new luxury driving lifestyle. From its long hood and chrome stacks to its heavy-duty frame, the W900 doesn't ask for permission. It announces its arrival. That presence becomes part of the story when this becomes your motorhome. As we walk around the vehicle, you'll notice the bold, long-nose profile that's quintessential W900. The chrome, the dual stacks, the commanding grille. But look closer, and you'll see modifications. Extended chassis, extra axles, if applicable, slide-outs or expansion modules, and heavy-duty suspension designed for livability, not just hauling freight. The exterior finish blends high-gloss paint. Custom graphics, perhaps, shining chrome trim, a blend of truck toughness and luxury jewelry. The roof may host solar panels or extra ventilation. The sides might include large-format windows and slide-out rooms. Every detail is intentional. You're on the road, but you're also living in motion. Under the hood is a power plant worthy of the legacy. Likely a Cummins X15 or equivalent heavy-duty engine, high horsepower, massive torque. While we won't get into full technical specs today, know this: the motive power is not compromised. You're still in a serious truck. One of the first tips, when filming the exterior, capture reflections in the chrome surfaces. Capture the scale. Show how this motorhome dwarfs ordinary RVs. Use drone-wide shots, low angles to emphasize the long hood, high vantage to show the roof accessories. That sets the tone. Step inside. The door opens and you're greeted by a living space that could easily belong in a luxury apartment, not a truck. The design aesthetic blends premium materials, real hardwoods or veneers, polished metals, ambient LED lighting, large-format windows with shades, plush seating. This is not a van conversion, this is house on wheels quality. Immediately you'll see the lounge area, maybe a sofa or recliners, perhaps a conversion dinette. Large entertainment screen, surround sound speakers. Notice how the layout accommodates both driver, passenger, and rear occupants. Open flow from the cab to the living quarters, yet it feels intimate and comfortable. Filming tip: show the living area from multiple angles, facing the windows to capture natural light, the seating area to capture texture, leather, stitching, wood grain, and a wide shot showing how the space connects to the rest of the interior. Next, we move into the heart of the home, the kitchen. This isn't RV kitchenette. We're talking full-sized appliances, custom cabinetry, designer finishes. Perhaps a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave combo, solid surface countertops, perhaps even an island or breakfast bar. In short, you can cook here like you're in a high-end home. The dining area might be integrated. A banquette or freestanding table with seating, surrounded by windows or lighting to create ambiance. It's designed not just for practicality, but for lifestyle, entertaining, relaxing, living. Tip for filming: capture the appliance details, open the fridge, show the oven controls. The finishes, close-ups of the countertop edge, cabinetry joinery. The lighting, ambient LED strips under cabinets, overhead fixtures. Show the transition from kitchen to dining to living so the viewer senses the flow of real living space. Moving further, we arrive at the master sleeping quarters. In most RVs, this would be modest, but here it's expansive. A king or queen-size bed, premium mattress, upholstered headboard, ambient lighting, blackout blinds, perhaps sound-insulated walls. There might even be a separate walk-in closet or dressing area. The idea, when you pull into camp, you're walking into your master suite. Notice the windows, panoramic or large side windows, perhaps a skylight. The finishes match the rest of the home. Real wood, leather accents, high-quality fabrics. The cabinetry around the bed offers practical storage. Design continuity, comfort features, USB AC ports, lighting control panels. Filming tip. Use a slider to move from foot of the bed to the headboard to emphasize length. Drone if possible to show size. Cross-light the windows to show how the room opens up. Now, the bathroom. And this is where the line between motorhome and luxury residence blurs completely. A full-size shower, often with glass door, rainfall head, built-in seat, dual vanity sinks, solid surface or stone counters, premium fixtures, even a separate toilet room. Heated floors, possibly. Ambient lighting? Absolutely. Every inch designed for refinement. You'll often find integrated washer-dryer combos or a stacked unit. Large linen closets, towel warmers, quality decorative touches. It's not a truck bathroom. It's a spa-jug bathroom you'd find in a premium home. For filming, open the shower door. Capture the glass water effect. Shoot down the length of the room to emphasize space. Show the high-end fixtures in close-up. Highlight ambient features, lighting, controls, ventilation. Behind these luxury finishes lies serious technology. A motorhome of this caliber doesn't just plug into camp power, it can live off-grid. Solar panels on the roof, lithium battery banks, inverters, automatic generator, perhaps even satellite internet. On the dashboard, you'll find digital controls, monitoring systems for power, tank levels, climate, lighting. This is home automation on wheels. Connectivity is king. Multiple 4K TVs, surround sound, media zones, Wi-Fi hotspots, remote monitoring. The driver's cab is fully integrated with living quarters, navigation, cameras, monitoring systems, and comfort features such as climate control for the whole unit. For filming, show the control panels, touch screens, monitors, the roof solar array, drone shot if possible, the wiring or battery bank, if accessible, to illustrate the behind-the-scenes tech. Interview or voice over a quick note on how these systems support full-time living or extended travel without hookups. You might ask, how does a motorhome built on a heavy-duty truck chassis ride? Surprisingly, very well. The W900 Motorhome conversion often includes upgraded suspension, airbags or adaptive systems, noise insulation, chassis reinforcement, and slide-outs engineered for stability. The result? You're driving a big rig, yes, but you're driving in comfort. The driver's cab retains that truck heritage feel. Commanding view, big mirrors, iconic hood, but adds comfort features. Heated, ventilated leather seats. Premium infotainment, driver assist systems, climb-out platforms or steps for the living area. The transition from driving the rig to living in the rig is seamless. Filming tip, show a driving sequence, truck pulling out, approaching highway, camera inside cab capturing road view, passengers relaxing. Use A-roll for narration, B-roll for motion, and emphasize the experience of size, power, comfort. Where many motorhomes stop, this one begins. A conversion like this is typically highly customized. Bespoke cabinetry, custom paint and graphics, premium leather, handcrafted woodwork, designer lighting, structural reinforcements, special chassis treatments. The build quality rivals luxury homes. Every customer can personalize layout, materials, finishes, tech package, off-grid capability, slide-outs, outdoor kitchens or patios, storage configurations for vehicles or toys. It's about driving a home that reflects your taste and lifestyle. For filming, spend time on detail shots. Show the joinery, the hidden hinges, the custom switch panels, branded appliances, control modules, the craftsmanship in the materials. Comments like, "You can smell the leather," or "You can feel the heft of the cabinetry," help convey quality. Let's talk numbers and lifestyle implications. A rig like this is quoted in some sources around $700,000, depending on customization and build specifics. That's more than many houses. But what you're buying is freedom, mobility, luxury, ruggedness, full-time living capability, and the ability to travel in style without compromise. But consider this. Operating costs are significant. Fuel for a large diesel truck, maintenance, insurance, and site station services. Parking and storage can be a factor, yet for someone whose lifestyle is travel, adventure, full-time RV living, or who simply wants the ultimate road presence, this makes sense. From a YouTuber or content creator perspective, and I speak as one, this kind of rig offers incredible visuals, storytelling potential, brand partnerships, sponsorships, and lifestyle content angles. The investment may yield returns beyond mere transport. When you film for your channel, show cost breakdowns, show comparative rigs, highlight the trade-offs. Viewers appreciate transparency, so mention fuel efficiency or inefficiency, maintenance, driving license permits in some regions, and how the own